Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware. Run NVIDIA SMI to see model and driver. Install the NVIDIA driver and the CUDA toolkit that matches that driver. This ensures kernel-level support. Then install cuDNN for deep learning libraries and update environment variables like path and LD library, path so Jupyter can access CUDA binaries. Once done, reboot if required, because kernel modules must load. Make sure your CUDA and driver versions are compatible to avoid subtle runtime failures. You next create an isolated environment using Conda or Python mvenv, then activate it so dependencies stay predictable. Install the GPU-enabled builds of frameworks, TensorFlow GPU or Torch compiled for your CUDA version, so they can talk to the driver directly. Add Jupyter Lab or Notebook plus ipykernel, then run Python ipykernel install to expose this env in Jupyter. Once the kernel is available, launch Jupyter and pick that kernel. This binds your notebook to the GPU-enabled Python runtime. You finish by validating GPU access inside a notebook. Run a small check such as Torch. CUDA is available or TF. Config. List physical devices, GPU. Then run a lightweight tensor operation to confirm computation and watch NVIDIA SMI to monitor memory and utilization. If you see mismatches or the GPU shows no processes, make sure CUDA toolkit, cuDNN driver, and your package builds all match. Version mismatch is the most common culprit. Reinstall the offending component and restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.